Hello YouTube, welcome back to another video. I just got the bike clean from the bike wash. I just got it washed from the bike wash. So there's a trail. You can go that way and you can go this way. And sometimes you can go this way and they not go car wash. So you can go this way or that way. Because look, there's a path right there. So you go through this, and I got a little sign. It says go, stop. This is the go. This is the go, and this is the stop. Go and stop. And these are the brushes. Those are the big brushes. So let's turn on the water. So it's to fill up here a minute. Some of these is not working right here and right here. But it works. Let me just rinse this one off. And so you go through this, and there's a trail right here. So you get like clean right here. And this is it. And you go that way. So there you have it, guys. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye.